Good morning. It's March 14, day 36 of our Bugeye restoration project. Okay, so still working on the front end, front firewall, yeah. Front firewall, yeah. Front firewall of the Bugeye Beetle. Okay, let's watch him. Handmade. It's handmade by my kidsmith. Good day. It's day 38. March 17. Sorry, I wasn't able to document some days because I was out and doing some errands. Anyway, I'll show you what's the development since then, since I was out until now. So do stand by. Okay, as we have this. Okay, here's the development now. Previously, it was taken out and replaced. And, here's from the outside. Newly repaired. Even the inner fender, newly replaced or repaired with new one.
Para bisagrahan niya.
Yeah.
Magpatibay ko na to. Para makakabit na ako nito.
Okay. Okay. So, ano mo na yan? Okay.
Ito, i-ano ko na rin yan.
Tatanggalin na yan?
Tatanggalin ko ito. I-repair ako.
Okay. So, he will be working on the door and the back panel and the pillar.
Itong frame post center na.
Yeah. Frame post center. See, center frame post. Yeah.
Wave Beats Music.
Okay, so here's the repaired one. As you can see, replaced by a gauge 14 steel sheet and reinforced by 3.0 millimeter steel plate inside. Okay, so this one is already done. Now he will work on the upper side of the pillar that holds the front mirror or the windshield, and up to this point. Yep, the gutter, yeah. It will be repaired. Yep. Okay, so we've removed this one for repair, and underneath of it, we will repair the hinge mounting for the hood. It will be replaced by 3.0 millimeter steel plate, just like this one. Just like this one. We've replaced this with a steel plate 3.0 that will be attached here to hold the hinge holder of the hood. Okay, so to make it more stronger. So everything else will be repaired.
Mawawarranty na ito.
Okay?
Mawawarranty na.
Yep. It's our day 41 on our Bugeye restoration project, and we're here to buy other screws and bolts for the Bugeye Beetle project. We're here at Screwtech Calamba. Okay, good morning. It's day 42. March 25, day 42. Sorry I haven't been around lately at the shop because I've got to do lots of errands at my other business. So I'll be sharing with you the things that there are a couple of days I missed to shoot. So we'll see how I can update you guys again.